Hey, Simon from Wolfmix here, and today we're going to be looking at how you can use one of these things with a Wolfmix W1 MK2. So the MK2 has a USB-A socket which sits next to the USB socket down here. We can connect a memory stick like this, and now we can back up our fixtures and our projects, or we can do a complete backup of the controller. So all I have to do is go to the setup screen here, then I go to projects, and we have a new button up here which says USB backup. If I tap this button, it says all projects and related fixtures will be backed up. Duplicates will be overwritten. I'll press continue. So this is now going to go through all my projects and all my fixtures which are included within the projects, and it's going to back up everything onto the memory stick. Now if I want to restore one of these projects, I tap the open button here, and I have a new icon here to import from a memory stick. So I'm going to tap this, and now you see we have a file browser, and Wolfmix has automatically put all my projects into a folder called projects, and we can go and we can load any of these projects just by hitting the load button here. We can navigate up and down the file browser like so. And if we want to import a fixture profile, we can go over to fixtures, add a fixture, and again we have this new memory stick button here. If we tap this, we can go into fixtures, and here we have all the fixtures that were used in the projects. And we can just select a fixture and press load. Something else you can do is a full backup of the entire controller. If I go to setup and then settings, we have two buttons here, USB backup and USB restore. What this will do is take an entire image of the controller, including all projects, fixtures, global settings, all of these settings and everything else, and it will save it as a single file. And then we can restore it just with a simple tap of the USB restore button. Now, something to watch out for, these memory sticks must be formatted as FAT32. Quite often when you buy a memory stick, it's either formatted in exFAT or it's formatted in the Mac or the Windows NTFS file system. So just make sure that you've got it formatted as a FAT32 device, and then as soon as you connect it to the Wolfmix, these additional buttons should appear and you can make full use of the memory stick. You can also import and export projects from the memory stick directly into WTools as well. So if you have something on your cloud account, you can open WTools, you can export the file, put it on a memory stick, and then just connect it to the back of a Wolfmix and load that in. So that's the memory stick functionality with the Wolfmix W1 MK2.